47. Look here. In the 47 closed organ pipe, open organ pipe, same length, produces 2 beats per second. This is the closed organ pipe. This is open organ pipe. Okay. In the closed organ pipe frequency N1, open organ pipe frequency N2. Okay. Here both have same length and produces a number of beats. Both are simultaneously vibrated. To produce the number of beats, this number of beats concept is to discuss next weekend. So only to remember formula. Delta N formula is N1 difference N2. Here delta N is given 2 beats per second. Delta N is given 2 beats per second. Here N1 difference N2. Okay. Next the length of the open pipe is now halved and closed pipe is doubled. Number of beats produced can be determined. First it will be calculated. This is the closed organ pipe. Fundamental frequency is V by 4L. This is open organ pipe. Fundamental frequency is V by 2L. Here, look here, LCM is 4L. Here V minus 2 times. Here 2V equal to 2. 2 equal to, actually this is the difference. Difference means larger minus smaller. 2V minus V. V by 4L. Okay. This is V by 4L. V by 4L value 2 This is equation number 1. Next, this open closed organ pipe length is double simply called as indaga L unte ippudu enta ayindi 2L ayindi. And the question is open pipe length is half indaga L unte ippudu emayindi L by 2. Here find number of beats, that means delta N value can be determined. Here also delta N formula N1 difference N2. This is the closed organ pipe V by 4L. Here L is given 2L minus open organ pipe V by 2L. Here L is given L by 2. Here 2 cancel. Neatly write as V by 8L minus V by L. Here what is the LCM? 8L. Here V minus, here L is there, so write 8V. Here larger minus smaller, 8V minus V, 7V by 8L write as 2 into 4L. Because V by 4L value is 2 so that's why 7 by 2 into 2 cancel, it becomes 7. This is the formula for number of beats. Okay, number of beats kanipiste, beat frequency kanipiste formula N1 difference N2. Next 48 look here. The question number 48. A glass tube length is 1 meter is filled with water. The water can be drained out slowly at the bottom of the tube if vibrating tube for tuning fork of frequency 500 per second cycles per second. Upper end of the tube velocity of sound is 300 meter per second. Find the total number of resonance obtained. Actually this 48 is, this is here this is water, here tap is there. Here tuning fork, here pedal, tuning fork frequency 500, velocity of sound value is 340. Velocity of sound is 330 meter per second. Here 500 Hz. Look here Here this method is called resonating column apparatus method. Here wave is sent, water will be level decrease, wave send. It will be a maximum sound is here. That phenomena is called resonance. Already I discussed in that yesterday resonating column operators method. Length of this length is first length is lambda by 4, second length is 3 lambda by 4 because node and antinode distance is lambda by 4. 3 lambda by 4, 5 lambda by 4, 7 lambda by 4 and so on. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on వస్తాయి. అయితే ఇక్కడ లాంబ్డా అంటే వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ సౌండ్ అంటే n లాంబ్డా కదా. లాంబ్డా అంటే ఎలా రాయొచ్చు అంటే v బై n, v బై 4n, 3v బై 4n, 5v బై 4n, 7v by 4n, 9v by 4n and so on. Here velocity of sound is 330 by n value is 500. First it will be calculated. Here look here nana, 0 0 cancel. 33 by 50 nana, 33 by 50 nearly right 6.6 sorry 0.66 by 4. This is unit of meter. Here 1 meter and 100 centimeter. It write neatly 66 by 4. 4 ones 4. 2 is there. 4 6 24. 2 is there. 16.5. This means here 16.5 is there. Here 3 times increase. 16.5 into 3 nearly 16 3s 45 and 50 వస్తుంది. ఇక 5 into 16 nearly 82.5. 7 into 16.5 112. According to this situation, total length of the argon pipe is given 1 meter. 1 meter is nothing but the 100 centimeter. మరి 100 సెంటీమీటర్ అంటే 112 పాజిబుల్ ఎలా అవుతుంది? అవ్వదు కదా. ఏదైనా ఇన్సైడ్ ద పైపే జరగాలి. ఇన్సైడ్ ద పైప్ జరగాలి అంటే 100 సెంటీమీటర్ ఓన్లీ పాజిబుల్. అంటే 16.5 50 82.5 పాజిబుల్. అంటే హౌ మెనీ రెజోనెన్స్ అక్కర్? 1 2 3. హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం సౌండ్ వస్తుంది? 3 times nana. This method is called resonating column method. 49 is the same model. So that's why to solve in this own manner. Okay, next problem nana 49 also same model. Here frequency of the stretched uniform wire under tension is in resonance with a fundamental frequency of the closed tube. If the tension of the wire is increased by, here T1 is T nana, T2 is T plus 8, tension is increased by 8 nana. Okay, either is in resonance of the first overtone of the closed tube, the initial tension of the wire nana. Actually nana, first look here the question. Here wire is there and again closed argon pipe is there. Here both are resonance ante already I discussed. Resonance means this frequency equal to this frequency. Simply call as wire frequency equal to closed argon pipe. Closed pipe CP. Okay. Frequency of the wire formula 1 by 2L under root T by mu. Okay, equal to closed argon pipe fundamental frequency formula V by 4L. Equation number 1. Here pipe is same nana. Okay, but wire tension increased by 8. That means T becomes enta indi ante T plus 8. Next again frequency of the wire equal to frequency of the closed pipe. Again resonance nana. Resonance means both the frequencies are equal. Resonance anna unison anna, both the frequencies are equal. Frequency of the wire formula is 1 by 2L under root T by mu. T write as T plus 8 by mu equal to closed argon pipe. Closed argon pipe. Closed argon pipe. This can be taken first overtone. First overtone formula 3V by 4L. Equation number 2. Here write equation 2 by equation 1, equation 2 by equation 1. 1 by 2l, 1 by 2l cancel. In the left side it becomes t plus 8 by t. In the right side v by 4l, v by 4l cancel, 3 by 1. Squaring on both sides, simply call as t plus 8 by t equal to 9. Here other side t plus 8 equal to 9t plus t other side 9t minus t 8t equal to 8 t value becomes 1 t value becomes 1 okay. Find initial tension becomes 1 okay. Next Nana hold. Look here Nana, the problem number 52 is the most important in the final exam. A source of frequency 10 kHz when vibrated over the mouth of closed organ pipe is in unison. Unison means frequencies are same at 300 Kelvin. The beats produced when the temperature rises up by 1 Kelvin is here. The initial temperature is 300 Kelvin. Next temperature rises by 301 Kelvin because 1 Kelvin rise 300 plus 1 301 Kelvin. Here initial frequency is given 10 kHz that means 10,000 Hz. Here N2 first determine, next determine beat frequency. Beat frequency is nothing but the number of beats made per second. Simply call as N2 minus N1. Simply call as N2 minus N1 or N1 minus N2. Nana, why here write N2 minus N1? First I discuss frequency basic formula in the chapter V by lambda. Here V and a velocity of sound. In the chapter velocity of sound formula is gamma RT by capital M whole by lambda. According to this relation N and T allow me directly. Temperature increases, frequency also increases. So that's why N2 value more than N1. So beat frequency is larger frequency minus smaller frequency. So that's why N2 minus N1 I write N directly proportional to root T. Simply write as N2 by N1 equal to under root T2 by T1. T2 is right 301, T1 is right 300. In this ratio I write in this method Nana, look here 1 by 300. Any wrong? Look here. LCM can be 300 plus 1 301. Because in the equation it is easily solved, so that's why I write in this manner. Here neatly write as 1 plus 1 by 300. Root write as whole power 1 by 2. We know that 1 plus x whole power n formula is in the mathematics 1 plus nx. This is called binomial expansion. Here, look here. Here 1 plus nx. What is the n value? 1 by 2. X value 1 by 300. Look here. 1 plus nx. Here neatly write as 1 plus 1 by 600. This will be neatly write as 601 by 600. Here find beat frequency. Both side I write minus 1. Okay. Here neatly write as 1 by 600 right side. Here N2 minus N1 by N1. N1 value is given 10,000. 0 0 0 0 cancel. N2 minus N1 is right 100 by 6. 100 by 6 value calculate 16.67 Hz. Okay. This is the beat frequency. In this method to solve. Next problem also same problem. 53 also same method can be solved. 53 problem also same method. Okay. Next 54 also